Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, the engine that I plan on putting into plain Jane, I'm going to get it up off the ground, clean it up, paint it, clean up the transmission as well. That way I can start putting this stuff together and maybe get it in the car soon. So let's get right to it. Alright, so I am getting ready to start preparing this thing to get cleaned up and put in. This is the VR6. I'm literally pulling out of a pool of its own blood from sitting here for the last few months. The backstory on this would be that it was a 200,000 mile engine, came out of a 95 Passat that I had picked up for super cheap from a seemingly well-off family in the upper scale part of the town. It looked like they had had it since new and passed it through so many family members. When I got it, it had about 200K, so I opened it up. I changed the timing chain guides, not even the chains, and put some new coolant pieces on it, some new hoses, threw it in my Jetta, and then boosted it about 6 pounds. So that's the history on this. Let's see how strong these VR6 engines really are.
Now, instead of saying, what should I do about it? Because who knows what to do about it? To know what to do about this, you would have to know everything. And if you don't, then the only thing that, at least to begin with, you can do is watch.
All of a sudden the lights dim. I'm not the nice him, I'm the anger that manifested inside him. Don't act surprised when he dies then. I'm the one that rises, patient in his mind since he was a patient of mind tricks. I've been steady devising, plotting, planning, deciding when the right time to provide all of the right lies in his ear to have him left indecisive. He's constantly in fear of winning, his life will come. I'll promise I'll be here when he gives his life and leaves his mind corrupt. I will not leave him, I'm someone he's grown to trust. Give him something to believe in, demons with halos giving him shoulder rubs, and he's feeding him loads of drugs till they grab his throat and tug. He's just a joke to us, just like he's a joke to you. The difference is, I know him more than you. I know what makes him tick, I know what makes him sick. I make him sit and wish for things that won't exist. See, all he wants is peace, and if not, silence. So all he hears is screams and thinks it sees of violence. It's terrifying when he closes his eyelids. Y'all don't see the battles that he's constantly fighting. But put me on the mic, shit. I might spit, I might vent. I'm looking for where the light went. I close my eyelids, I flow somewhat timeless to cope with the knife. It's accompanied with the rope in the silence. The knife slips, I'm hoping I die quick. I don't mean to be violent, I only feel alive when me and death are vibing. All I do is win, give you the D if you wanna chime in. Me and this pin got some mileage. I've been swimming with sirens, lifting like the Mayans, gifted no denying, like it was proven with science. Losing don't fit in or align with the puzzles that made my mind spin. I light up a spliff and watch the merry-go-round. I'm very close now to being carried and thrown out, afloat in a ghost town. Everything slowed down, approaching the end of my rope. Go for broke, there's no hope. But at least my dope's loud. They're taking everything that I say as a joke now. Have them laughing at me the whole time I'm getting choked out. Till I pull the chopper out my clothes mouth. Spray this fucking whole crowd. Got them on the ropes now. Gotta smoke a whole pound. Sneaking the high clouds. Drinking till I drown. Blinking and I'm down. Sinking and climb out. It's that easy. You can't beat me. So therefore, you can't beat me.
Watch not only what's going on the outside, but also what's going on the inside. Treat your own thoughts, your own reactions, your own emotions about what's going on outside as if those inside reactions were also outside.
And that is going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like the music in today's video, I'll put a link to the SoundCloud account in the description. See you next time.
Sit and wish for things that won't exist. See, all he wants is peace, and if not, silence. So all he hears is screams and thinks it sees of violence. It's terrifying when he closes his eyelids. Y'all don't see the battles that he's constantly fighting. But put me on the mic, shit. I might spit, I might vent. I'm looking for where